What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Paris and I make videos all about candle making and the starting and managing of my small candle business, Lady Simone Candle Co. We are still in the business finance series, and today we are going to talk about bookkeeping. So let's just get started. So first of all, what is bookkeeping? I got you. Bookkeeping is the act of recording transactions for your business. So what it literally keeps record of every financial transaction made by your business. And with that financial transaction, it is supported with some sort of document. So whether that be a receipt, an invoice, a purchase order, that financial transaction should be supported with some type of documentation. So that way it's easily reconciled. There is no guessing work when it comes to what this transaction was for. It keeps you organized, and it allows you for healthy books. We just kind of touched on that with the business bank account in my previous video, and about how important it is to keep proper books and keep things organized and tracked properly. So now I kind of want to jump into why bookkeeping is so important. Number one, it helps keep you on a budget. Just like a budget is a roadmap for your personal life, a budget is also a roadmap for your business life. So when your income and expenses are properly tracked and organized, it helps you to review your overall financial picture a lot more easier. And it helps you determine where you need to cut back on certain things in order to not only stay on budget but to also achieve some growth. Number two, tax prep. It makes the tax filing process a lot more efficient, as well as for your personal taxes as well. A portion of your income is going to come from your business. So in order to know how much you earned, you also need to know how much your business has earned, and a bookkeeping system will help you do that. Number four, analysis. One product of bookkeeping are financial statements. And with financial statements, you are able to properly analyze your business outflows and inflows, where you're at financially, if you're overspending in this area, if you're not offsetting in this area, and it helps you with decision making. So you won't know what financial decisions to make for your business if you're not properly analyzing the financial status and the financial health of your business. Which actually leads me into number five, proper planning. So you can't properly plan for the future if you don't have a good understanding of the past. I hope that makes sense. So sometimes you really have to sit down and really look at the financial snapshot of your business and where you are, plus take a look at where you're going. So in order to achieve where you want to go, there's some changes that you might have to make here in the present in order to achieve that future goal. And of course, pay yourself. A lot of business owners, part of that future goal is to be able to take something home. It not only keeps you motivated, but it keeps you working hard, just like with any job or career. So if that's in your future, you have to properly plan now in order to achieve that goal later. Number six, you can track profit and growth. So one of the sub-products of bookkeeping, so a product of bookkeeping is financial statements, and a sub-product is an income statement, which is one of the financial statements you can actually generate. And so it shows you if your business is having any income and if your business is even profitable or, on that profitability track. So that is another statement that can help you realize where you need to cut back, helps you analyze your spending, how much income is actually coming in, and if your business is on the right track to becoming profitable. So number eight, IRS audits. So unfortunately, if your business or even my business or anyone has the unfortunate subjection to getting audited by the IRS, which nobody has time for that, nobody wants that, you do want to make sure that your books are properly organized, in order, and reconciled. And if not, the IRS can subject you to penalties and fees. So that is probably one of the biggest reasons why, as a small business owner or a business owner in general, you should invest in some type of system or anything to keep you organized just in case an auditing comes up. And lastly, it is required by law, depending on how your business is structured and how it's set up. For example, myself, I am a single member LLC. So because I am set up in a particular business structure, I am required by law to keep a bookkeeping system. In other words, basically, I'm required to keep my business finances separate from my personal finances. That is required. So you might want to look into that depending on how you want to structure your business or what entity you're thinking about forming as you will be required by law to keep those expenses separate, your personal life from your business life. So with all of that said, how do I even go about choosing a bookkeeping system? Here are 4 factors I want you to consider when thinking about choosing a bookkeeping system. Number 1, is it easy to learn? So is it easy to set up? Is it easily accessible? Does it give you the reports that you need? Is it easy to export those type of reports? So you want to make sure you already have enough going on trying to run your business. You don't need a complicated system to overcomplicate your business life. So make sure it's something that is easy to learn. What all comes with the bookkeeping system? What are the features? Does it have payroll? Can it help you with your inventory? Can it capture receipts? Those are things you want to make sure of, because organization goes hand in hand with your business, and you want to be able to reconcile properly and know what expense goes with what. So make sure that the organizational part and all the features and perks, it's going to not only help you run your business now, but help you as you grow. 3, scalability. As you grow, can it grow with you? You don't want to choose a system now that you're going to outgrow later. Even if you start with a basic bookkeeping system now, but you can easily upgrade or transfer data to a more advanced growth system. So you want to make sure that you're not stuck in a box when choosing your system, because we are going to grow, guys. That's the whole point. And it is the goal for every small business owner, is to eventually grow and be successful. So choose something that can grow with you. And lastly, compatibility. Can it easily integrate with your banking systems? Because you should already have a business bank account. So can it easily integrate with that? Do you have to constantly refresh to get the most updated balance of your bank account, or does it just automatically update it for you because it's integrated? Think about all of those things and see if it's compatible. Can you download an app? Can you do it while you're on the go? Can you easily download reports and things like that? So you want to make sure it's compatible with the systems that you already have in place for your business. So your store, like my e-store, can it easily integrate with that? To properly get deposits, all of that stuff. You want to make sure that it's capturing all the systems of your business and it's all integrating into that bookkeeping system. So think about those things when choosing a bookkeeping system. So that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you were able to get something from this. I have more information coming next week as we close out our business finance series. But before you go, I have another freebie for you. It is just kind of bookkeeping system like comparison guide, just to kind of give you an overall high level view of just the bookkeeping systems that are out there that are great for small businesses, and just give you a comparison of features and things like that, so that you can go on your own and do your research and see what will work for you. It is available to download today, and the link is in the description box. And until next time, bye.